Good morning, sixth graders. So today is a win day, which stands for What I Need Day. So please, after you've spent the first 20 to 25 minutes independently reading or looking for a book, for those of you who do not have a book right now, I know it's been hard that we're all at home, but please look at the Shoreview Library or go to Chippewa, that Destiny Discovery, and find a book that you enjoy, especially prior to the next week. Okay, so either spend that first 25 minutes reading or look for a book that you really enjoy. Okay, find if you don't like what you're reading, look for something new. Okay, but then after that, work on what you need to work on. So maybe it is just independently reading. Maybe it's catching up on late assignments in ELA, because it's the end of the semester. However, you can also use this time for other classes. So if you need to get caught up in other classes or connect with a teacher, they're probably teaching, but you can at least send them an email. And then you can also work on any late work for them or anything that's due, okay? I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I'm going to take the day to rest. And you notice I was home yesterday, so I'm gonna be a little bit online here and there. So if you do need me, please reach out. I'll be trying to update grades. I know some of you have reached out about your grade. I need to update some of those, but I am here. I will be laying down and trying to take this time to rest, but you can reach me if you need me. Google Hangout is probably the fastest. I do have the app on my phone and I can respond really quick to it. Okay, have a great day. I will see you all next week.